How to upload a video to Google Drive and share the link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a video to Google Drive and share the link with others. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your web browser and go to the drive.google.com and make sure that you are signed in to your Google account. Once you are inside the Google Drive, simply click on Go to Drive to access your files. Now click on New in the top left corner, then select File Upload and choose your video or file. And once you are in your File Explorer, simply drag and drop it in the Google Drive. And the upload progress will be shown in the bottom right corner. Wait for the upload to complete before sharing the file. Once the upload is done, locate your video or file in the Google Drive. And once you have found that, simply right click on the file and select share. And a pop-up menu will appear. By default, access is restricted, meaning only specific people can view it. Now to make your video or file accessible to anyone with a link, simply click on restricted and change it to anyone with the link. Now copy the link and share it with anyone who needs access. If you only want viewers to watch and download the file, leaving the settings on viewer. If you want to change them to edit or manage the file, then change it to the editor. And that's it. Now you know how to upload a video or file to a Google Drive and share the link easily. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.